Want to access the time zone converter on Samsung Galaxy but you don't know how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. Now let's get started. So you click on the clock icon over here. Then you have 4 options at the bottom: alarm, word clock, stopwatch, timer. Make sure it is on word clock. And then here you have the standard time you've set, which is where you are at that particular time. Now you can click on the plus icon if you want to add another city. For example, I want to know what the time is in Moscow. I click on it and I click on add. And there it is. My present time in Moscow is 4:37 p.m. In Miami, it's 9:37 a.m. In London, it's 2:37 p.m. And in Lagos, where I am, it's 2:37 p.m. So you see, you can also add more cities. And if you do not want to add more cities, you can also edit it by clicking on the edit button. You can remove the ones you want to remove and add the ones you want to add. You can also click on the time zone converter, which helps you to convert the time, your present time, to any time you want in other countries or cities. Now you can decide to choose the time you want to set up. Let's say I want to set London time. If it's 2:38 p.m. in London, what's the time in Moscow? So it will show it to me, the time and the date. I can add more cities if I want or not. And that is it. That is how to access time zone converter on Samsung Galaxy. That's all it takes. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this every day. Thanks for watching.